Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater and shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Both sides are pretty. This pattern is 8 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 8. 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. First row right side. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches with 2 times yarn over. Slip edge and purl these all stitches with 2 times yarn over. 1 2 1 again 1 2 1 1 2 1. In this way we repeat these all stitches with 2 times yarn over. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip edge. Now twist 4 stitches from left to right, this way to this way. First we unwrap 4 stitches, 1 2 3. Now twist 4 from left to right. Take 2 stitches on your right needle from back loop and last 2 stitches on your right needle from front loop and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way. First we slip 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. Now twist 4 from right to left. Take 2 stitches on your left needle from front loop and 2 stitches on your right needle from back loop and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. That's a repeat. Twist 4 from left to right and knit 4. Twist 4 from right to left and knit 4. This is 8 stitches pattern. 2 4 6 8. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way. First we slip 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. Now twist these 4. Take 2 stitches on your left needle from back loop and 2 stitches on your right needle from front loop and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way. Unwrap 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. Now twist these 4. Take 2 on your left needle from front loop and 2 on your right needle from back loop and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last edge knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our half pattern is also completed. Now we again repeat this 4 row, but in this row we shuffle this pattern. Now this pattern goes there and this pattern goes there. So this is row 5 right side. Knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row wrong side. Slip edge and pull these all stitches to time yarn over. 1 2 1 1 2 1. In this way we pull these all with 2 time yarn over. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is row 7 right side, slip edge. Now twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way. First we twist left to right, this way to this way. Now we twist this way to this way. First we slip 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. Now twist 4 from right to left. Take 2 on your right needle, left needle from front loop and 2 on your right needle from back loop. Knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way. Unwrap 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. Now twist 4 from left to right. Take 2 on your right left needle from back loop and 2 on your right needle from front loop. Now knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. That's our repeat. Twist 4 from right to left and knit 4. Twist 4 from left to right and knit 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time, twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way. First we slip these 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4. Now twist these 4 stitches from right to left way and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Now twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way. Slip 4. Now twist 4 from left to right way and knit these 4. 1 2 3 4. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern and knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. In this way we repeat these 8 rows and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.